When it comes to survival prepping, one key decision is whether to buy a ready-made backpack survival kit or build your own. Let's compare the pros and cons to help you decide. Ready-made kits are convenient and time-saving. They come pre-packed with essential items like food, water, and basic tools. They're perfect if you're short on time or new to prepping. But beware, these kits can be pricey and may lack personalized items your family needs. DIY packs, on the other hand, give you control. You can include exactly what you need, from specific medications to multi-purpose tools. They're cost-effective and allow you to choose higher quality gear. However, building one takes time, research, and organization. The choice depends on your situation. Ready-made kits are great for a quick start, while DIY packs offer customization for long-term preparedness. Either way, a well-stocked survival backpack is a must. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.